You need to hear this if you're an aspiring baker. Dreaming of a home baking business? Here's your recipe for success. Step 1. Research and plan. Know your market, spy on competitors, discover your secret ingredient, your USP. Next, whip up a business plan with goals, products, pricing, and marketing strategies. Step 2. Legal considerations. Decide your business structure, get those licenses, and think about insurance. Step 3. Set up your kitchen. Make sure it meets health standards and invest in essential gear. Step 4. Develop your product line. Perfect those recipes and create a killer menu. Step 5. Branding. Pick a catchy name and design a snazzy logo. Step 6. Online presence. Build a website and get social. Step 7. Marketing and promotion. Plan a launch event and start advertising. Step 8. Sales and distribution. Set up order management and focus on customer service. Step 9. Monitor and improve. Gather feedback and track finances. Step 10. Expansion. Consider scaling up or going wholesale. Remember, stay compliant, maintain quality, and network. You got this.